Hi students, MCQ number 7. A ray of light strikes a glass plate at an angle 60 degree. If the reflected and refracted rays are perpendicular to each other, the refractive index of the glass is to be determined. Now we can look at the diagram. XY is a glass plate. On the glass plate, light is incident at an angle of incidence I. At the same angle, a portion of the light will be reflected and the remaining portion of the light is refracted. So this beam is reflected. This ray is reflected ray and this ray is refracted ray. Okay. Now what is given? Angle of incidence is equal to 60 degree is given. Angle of incidence is 60 degree. So this angle of reflection also will be 60 degrees, isn't it? Then the reflected ray and the refracted ray are perpendicular to each other, they are given. Then R is the angle of refraction. So this normal n dash is a straight line. If you add the angle, this angle I plus 90 plus R, the total angle is 180 degree. So I plus R plus 90 degree is equal to 180. So I plus R is equal to 180 minus 90, that is equal to 90. Therefore R must be equal to 90 minus angle of incidence. So this is equal to 90 minus angle of incidence is 60 degree. So this is 60. Therefore what is the angle of refraction is equal to 30 degree. Okay. Angle of refraction is equal to 30. So 30 plus 60 is 90. 90 plus 90 is 180. But what is asked here is the refractive index of the glass. So for that, Snell's law of refraction, mu is equal to R, n is equal to sine of the angle of incidence by sine of the angle of refraction. So this is equal to sine of 60 divided by sine of 30. So this is equal to root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2, sine 30 is 1 by 2. So the denominator 2 get cancelled. So this is equal to what? Root 3. Okay. Therefore, the refractive index mu is equal to root 3. So, option A itself is root 3. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Okay. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.